Kevin Durant taking on Russell Westbrook one more time this season before the playoffs. Durant, he had 34 points and Westbrook had 44 points as they're dueling. Alex Abrinas throws down the poster to get things started. Look at the reaction of the bench. Everybody can't believe their eyes. Ending the first quarter, Durant knocks down the three with the hand in his face. It doesn't matter. Rebounded, saved. We're going the other way, turning on the Jets. Westbrook splits two, makes it look easy. 5-point game. Durant working on Melo. He's got him leaning. He got him a little bit. You can't hide that stumble. It's on video. Russell Westbrook starts going to work. He starts putting his cape on, trying to save this game. Gets the rebound himself. Pushes it across half court through the three-point line to the paint. He's got it coast to coast. He's going to do it again. He's looking, pulling up from the free throw line. He ties the game. They're down by 2 again. He's going to pull up from 3. Durant gives him the shot and he takes the lead for the Thunder. He's mean mugging. Fourth quarter, Durant lulling the defense to sleep again, just calmly knocks down the 3. Brewer throws up a layup. It's tipped up and in by Westbrook. This is a battle. It's going down to the wire. It's a 4-point game. Green slashes, throws up the lob. That's a Jones dagger. Back to the clinch he goes. He likes the clinch, and he's going down to the ground. He's got good ground ratings too, but so does Moses. I'm not scared. Oh, he's going for a submission. He's trying to submit Moses. Oh my goodness, I'm out of there though. Come on, cuz.